Are you a teacher that's a little bit fed up and a bit disgruntled with the amount of money you're getting paid? A lot of people think you're talking nonsense and you should shut up. I say to those people, I got you, teachers. I want to draw your attention to this just here because today we're going to discuss the difference between teacher pay and life coaches for kids pay. As you can see right just there, teachers' average salary is anywhere between $32,000 to $51,000. That's because they go up a pay scale of M1 all the way to M6, and then they have to do extra responsibilities and extra time to get to something called a TLR, or they can go to a UPS scale. And these are recent figures, by the way, from the government. But look in the middle just here, on average, the coaching fees for life coaching anybody, not just children, but anybody, is $244. $244 an hour. And that's from the ICF, the International Coaching Federation. And look at this disgusting stat just here. On average, teachers are spending 8.2 hours a week of marking time. And how much of that is out of school hours? So you're kind of like doing free labor teachers. As a teacher though, what are you selling? You are selling a curriculum that was not created by you. It was probably created like 100 years ago. And I'm not even sorry for saying this, but you're selling a babysitting service. And you're selling basic, sometimes unnecessary knowledge to put inside your child's head or a child's head to get a certain grade, to get a certain job. But like I always say, job is an acronym for just over broke. But life coaches for children are selling confidence, they're selling resilience, they're selling friendship making skills, they're selling anti-anxiety lessons, they're selling emotional development. And yes, a lot of you are sitting there thinking, well, they do that in school anyway. Well, some schools they do because they hire experts to come in and that's amazing. But what I've just said just there are accidentally taught lessons of which are not in the curriculum in school. How do I know this? Hi, my name's Dale Hancock. I was a teacher for 12 years, teaching science and PE, so I kind of know. Also, if you are a teacher and you wanted to know more how all this works, then I've actually got a brand new program that's launching soon that's only £47 a month. Okay, check out my bio, it's all in there. So how do teachers make money? They driving to school, sometimes earlier than they actually should be getting paid to start the shift. They do the shifts, they get paid for that, obviously at the end of the month, pro rata, so they don't get paid over holidays, and they should leave at a certain time, 4:30, 5 o'clock, but they don't, they stay till 6 or 7 or whatever, and they take work home with them to mark or plan or whatever to do in their own time. And sometimes they do that over the weekend and sacrifice their own kids' time. Good parenting. Wage comes to anywhere between 2,500, if that, to 3,500, if that. So what do we do for coaches? Well, if coaches want to earn that level of money, then here's what we do. Let's say £3,210 they want to earn a month, just life coaching children. We obviously divide that by their hourly rate. So life coaches charge anywhere between £60 to £150 an hour. You just saw a second ago that the average was $244. So I'm just being super kind. So let's just say £75 an hour, which is the bare minimum and the bare average for life coaches, especially for children. Now we'll divide that by 4 because that's how many weeks there are in a month. As you can see, 10.7, so 11. So life coaches for children, teachers transitioning from the classroom to life coaches, will need to find 11 clients and coach 11 clients a week to earn £3,210 or something a month. And how many hours is that? Well, that's 11 because the sessions only last an hour long. So this is the difference between how teachers make money and life coaches for kids make money. But if you think about it, we went into that conversation making it all about this, but we came out making it all about this time, didn't we? The more time that parent teacher now has to impact their own child is astronomical compared to working 55 hours a week for the same. So you're a teacher, right? What would you rather do? Would you rather work for 55 hours a week earning 3k, or would you rather work for 10 or 11 hours a week earning 3k? And if you're interested to know more, just drop me a little DM saying Kid Coach and I'll show you exactly what I did all those years ago. I'll see you later.